Hello, and welcome to our Book Club How-To with Newfoundland and Labrador Public Libraries. Book clubs have really evolved. They are as diverse and as unique as the people who join them. Want to join a book club? First, ask yourself, what kind of book club is right for me? Do I want to join a pre-formed group? Do I want to form a group of my own? Do I want a virtual or in-person group? Pre-formed groups come in all shapes and sizes. They can be in person or virtual, with as many reading preferences as you can possibly imagine. Mystery, romance, audiobooks, ebooks, crime, horror, you name it. Ask your friends. Or try one out with your local library. Check the library Facebook page or give them a call to see what they have to offer. Want to start a group of your own? Newfoundland and Labrador Public Libraries have a lot of resources available to you for free. We have book club kits, multi-user ebooks, audiobooks, and best of all, friendly and helpful staff. One of our most popular resources for book clubs are our book club kits. Each kit is packed in a canvas bag and contains 10 to 12 copies of one book, discussion questions, and information about the author. How do they work? The kits are checked out to a single group member who is responsible for all the materials. The loan period is for 6 weeks, with one 6-week renewal if no other groups are waiting. Overdue fines are $1 per day per kit. Replacement cost is $100 for a full kit, or $1 for a missing discussion question sheet. The kits are available across the province. If your library doesn't have any on site, ask your library staff to request a kit for you via interlibrary loan. In-person versus virtual. It's nice to meet in person, but it's also easy to meet virtually. There are many free platforms to use. Facebook Messenger can handle up to 50 people at a time. Jitsi, another free platform, is good for up to 75 people at a time with no time limit on your meeting. Zoom has a free option for up to 100 people with a 40-minute time limit. Here are some more resources that you can use. Want to get digital? Our e-library has books that can be checked out for your whole book club at one time. Many of these are classics. Check out the e-library today. Book Club Central is a library guide with tons of great information. You can find it at guides.nlpl.ca/bookclubs. Goodreads is a social media page for tracking your reading and sharing your love of books with others. Buy or borrow your book, read it, and then after you read it, get on Goodreads to update and discuss it. You can find links to online book clubs via Goodreads under their Community tab under Groups. Canada Reads is an annual Battle of the Books competition organized by broadcaster CBC and aired each year in the 2 national official languages. NL Reads is a celebration of Newfoundland and Labrador books, authors, and readers. It is our provincial Battle of the Books inspired by CBC's popular annual literary event Canada Reads. Over 4 months, 4 new local authors and books compete for the title of Newfoundland and Labrador's must-read book of the year, as determined by the reading public of our province. There's no right or wrong way to book club. Who said you all have to read the same book? Who said you have to read adult books? Why not try graphic novels? If everyone is having fun, you're doing it right. Thank you. For more information about the Newfoundland and Labrador Public Libraries and all the services we provide, please visit www.nlpl.ca. And have a great day.